What do you think you're doing in that can? Huh? Who knocked the lid off? You know you got food over there and over there and over there. What's up? And you're not even gonna budge, are you? Look how close I am to you. You guys are just, you have no fear of me. Because you know there's no reason to. Look at this. Who is that? Millie? Baby? Is that you? Baby? Is that you? What are you doing? That's you. You little troublemaker, you. What are you doing? Hi, baby. Good morning. Are you showing everybody bad habits? Baby, what you doing? Hi, love. You want me to go get you something different? I got the good stuff in the house. Walnuts, almonds, and pecans. And your little nut vitamin block that I make for you. You want me to go get you one? Baby? Let me go get you one? Okay, I'll be back. Head out of there, okay?